As part of the KoolDoor kit comes these spacers. So they're a peel and stick, quick release paper on the back. Now I'll show you how to put these spacers in. Most doors have a profile. Now these profiles, the foam is designed to take up the space in that profile. So either way, if the door's got a profile or the door is flat, still put the spacers in. Now that's one single spacer. This is the second one on top. Arrange these spacers in a square pattern. It just gives the KoolDoor product some airspace between the hot metal tin and the KoolDoor product. Now these spacers are easy to install. As I mentioned, they've got a quick release back. They also put pressure on the back of the panel, so it helps to hold the panel in place. Down inside the bottom channel, in the center of the door, you can place one spacer. That just gives a platform for the KoolDoor product to lean on. And that's the spacers installed.